Let's go to our lesson for today about related rates. Related rates problem involve two or more variables that change at the same time, possibly at different rates. If we know how the variables are related and how fast one of them is changing, then we can figure out how fast the other one is changing. This usually involves writing an equation relating the two variables and taking the derivative of the equation with respect to time. There are 4 steps to solving related rates problem. Step 1. Draw a picture of the physical situation. Step 2. Write an equation that relates the quantities of interest. Next step is take the derivative with respect to time of both sides of your equation. And last step is solve for the quantity you are after. Hey Aqilah, Abbas, do you remember today is Nazmi's birthday? Let's have a birthday party to celebrate his birthday.
Yes, let's go decorate it.
Later that same evening.
Oh yeah, I have prepared something for Nazmi's birthday. Here are the checklists. We have cake, we have party hat, we have balloon. Oh wait, where is our balloon?
Oh yeah, I forgot to put balloon. Where I put the balloon? Oh yeah, here. This balloon. So let's blow it so that we can hang it on that place.
3 hours later.
Oh my god!
Wait a minute. Why is that balloon deflated?
Yeah, the balloon was deflected. I remember about today's lesson about related rate, right? So, do you remember it, Faiz?
Huh? Me? Actually, I don't understand what was taught this morning. Can you explain me to make me more understand?
Okay, let me explain. First, I will highlight the important keyword in the question. As we all know that the volume of sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube is equal to 36 pi. So, we need to find the value of r. So, r is equal to 3. If the balloon was inflated, it will be positive in rate of change. But in our situation, the balloon was deflated, so it will be negative 12. So what is negative 12? Negative 12 is rate of change of volume. Next, we need to write down the formula of rate of change of surface area is equal to dA over dr times dr over dt.
How to find dA over dr?
If we need to find dA over dr, we need to differentiate it. So, area is equal to 4 pi r square. We need to differentiate, so dA over dr equal to 8 pi r.
Wait, how about dr over dt?
dr over dt, we can also equal to dv over dt times with dr over dv. How to find dv over dr? So we can use differentiate just like dA over dr. So volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. So dv over dr is equal to 4 pi r square. But the formula 1 dr over dv. So dr over dv is equal to 1 over 4 pi r square. As we all know, dv over dt is negative 12. We need to write back the formula that we built. So dA over dt is equal to dA over dr times with dv over dt times with dr over dv. So dA is equal to 8 pi r, dv dt is equal to negative 12, and dr over dv is equal to 1 over 4 pi r square. The second last step, we need to put the value of r, which is 3. So we can solve the equation. So last we need to calculate the answer. So dA over dt is equal to negative 8.
These are the conclusion for the answers. In conclusion, we can conclude that the problem has been solved by using the formula volume equals to 4 over 3 pi r by the power of 3, area equals to 4 pi r by the power of 2, and dA over dt equals to dA over dr multiplied by dr over dt, when dr over dt equal to dr over dv multiply dv over dt. The answer for the problem is negative 8 cm by the power of 2 s by the power of negative 1. The objective are achieved. The objective, which are to identify the rate of change of surface area, are accomplished.